So if you have an old Honda Pilot that the key fob stopped working, you know, you press the lock, the red light doesn't turn on. Well, there's a very easy, simple fix. I ordered these key fobs from Amazon. These came just like this in the box. I took them out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and try to program these now. Let's see how it goes. So here's the remote. I got the set that's got two. Basically the instructions they send you is on a card to go to a website, and the instructions simply state that turn the ignition key to the on position, which is number 2. You see the 2 slot on the Honda Pilots. Basically what they want to do is put the key to the number 2 position, press the lock button, and then roll back to 0 again. And we have to do that 3 times, it states. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this the first time. So let's see if it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the ignition to number 2 and go ahead and press once, go back to 0, go back to 2, press it the second time, okay, go back to 0, and then go back to 2, press, and then one more time, I believe, and the doors should lock. Okay, I heard the doors lock. Let's see if it opens. Okay, so the door lock seems to be working right now. If I lock it, it's really simple to program this, and it actually works. So I guess if you have the same problem, you can do this too.